Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 3, Accounts of Partnership Firm. Illustration 12. Arun is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 12% per annum. That case, what they have mentioned mean Arun is a partner in a partnership firm. In the partnership deed, already they have informed interest on drawings can be charged on partner 12% per annum on their drawings. During the year ended 31st December 2018. So they have mentioned to you academic year ending date is 31st December 2018. 31st December 2018 is a closing date, mean opening date will be 1/1/2018. Academic year beginning date is 1/1/2018. So this is the accounting period. Now you see here during the year mean in the academic year, during the year ended 31st December 2018, he drew as follows. In that case, the amount which is withdrawn by Arun is given as follows. So now we see here in the March 1st 2018, Arun withdrawn rupees 6,000. Arun rupees 6,000 he withdrawn. Then June 1st he withdrawn rupees 4,000. In September 1 he withdrawn 5,000. December 1 he withdrawn 2,000. So in that case, in the first sum they have given that lump sum amount 20,000 is withdrawn on the particular period, on the particular date. So only one withdrawn occurred in the last sum, but here many times he withdrawn the amount in different dates. Many times he withdrawn the amount in different dates. For that case, we have to calculate the interest on drawing separately for each time the amount withdrawn, because the amount withdrawn in March month, accounting year 31st December 2018, from March to December 2018, the 6,000 rupees is utilized. The same way from June to December 31st 2018, the amount 4,000 is utilized. Then 1st September 2018 to 31st December 2018, the amount 5,000 is utilized. The same way for December 1st withdrawn amount 2,000 also. So in different dates it's withdrawn amount. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings. Here they said calculate interest on drawings only. They didn't specify in which method you have to calculate the interest on drawings. In that case, it's understood by default we have to treat it as a direct method. So in direct method, what is the formula? Interest on drawings equal to amount of drawings. We know that they have given the rate of interest. They have given already 12% per annum. Period of interest alone we have to calculate it. Now we see here under direct method we are going to use. So March 1st, they have withdrawn the amount to be 6,000. In that case, from March 1st to 31st December, how many months this amount is utilized? In that case, March 1st, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months are there? 10 months are there. So the amount rupees 6,000 is utilized for 10 months. The amount rupees 6,000 is withdrawn on March 1st is utilized for 10 months. Then June 1st, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months? 7 months. So that case, the June amount, when the amount withdrawn on June 1st, it is used for 7 months. Then September 1st they have given September, October, November, December. 4 months it is used. 4 months. Then December 1st, the amount is withdrawn on December 1st. So December 1st to 31st December, 1 month solidly is there. So for 1 month you have to calculate the interest on drawings. Now we are going to calculate the interest on drawings. So March 1, 6,000 is withdrawn. 10 month the amount is utilized. We have to calculate interest on drawings on 12% per annum. So March month, how much amount we have withdrawn? 6,000. So March month we have withdrawn 6,000 rupees. For 6,000 rupees we have to charge interest on drawings 12%. So 12 by 100 is given. Is March 1, March April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 10 months. So 10 months. In a year, 12 months are there. But the amount withdrawn on March to December, 10 months are there. So we are going to calculate interest only for 10 months alone. Now we are going to cancel it. 112 is 12. 112 is 12. 12 cancelled. 10, 10, 10, 10. In that case, what is the amount? 600. Then same way for June 1 also. What is the amount withdrawn on June? 4,000. How many months it's used? 7 months. So the June 1 withdrawn amount is 4,000 rupees. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 7 months which is utilized. So 7. Now we see here we can cancel it. 12, 12, 20, 20. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. So 28 is written. Then how many zeros are here? 1 0. So 1 0 is written. 1 0 is written. The next September 1. The month of September we have withdrawn 5,000. This 5,000 is used for how many months? 4 months. So 5,000 amount of withdrawn 5,000 into rate of interest 12 by 100 into September, October, November, December. So the amount 4 months it is used. So interest on drawings also will be provided only for 4 months. So 12, 12, 20, 20. 5 fours are 20. 20, how many zeros are here? 1 0. So 1 0 is added. Then December 1. What is the amount withdrawn on December 1? 2,000. This amount is used for 1 month. December 1 to December 31st. 1 month is there. So amount rupees 2,000. Rate of interest 12%. How many months it is used? 1 month. So 12 crossed. 20, 20. Then what is the interest on drawings? 20 rupees. Interest on drawing is 20 rupees. Now we can add it together. 0, 0, 0, 0. Then second question 2, 8, 10, 0. So 0 is placed here. 1. The third question 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 6, 11. So interest on drawings rupees 1,100. The total amount of interest on drawing is 1,100. It will be asked as a 3 mark question or 5 mark question, my dear.